Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. We can continue our exercises of chapter number 4 birds. Today we will do the section C question answer. Question number 1, describe the body parts of a bird. Diagram you can draw from the book and write the name of different parts of the bird. Here I describe its body parts. Okay. A bird has a pair of wings, a pair of eyes and legs with claws. It has a tail behind the each eye's ear present. It has beak with a tiny opening on it through which they breathe. Now, question number 2, differentiate between upstroke and downstroke movements. When a bird opens the wings and move upward and backward, this movement of the wings is called upstroke. While the bird closed the wings and moved downward and forward, it is called downstroke movement. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.